Now I'm going again to the garage. Yesterday I received my wheel spacers. Today I want to do my Evo Brembo swap. As you know, I'm preparing my car for MOT and I had old brakes on it, so I decided instead of buying new brake pads and new disc, I decided to go just Evo Brembo swap. I was dreaming about it since I bought that car, because my wheels are OZ17s and they have ET45. I couldn't do it earlier without the spacers, so today I received the spacers, which are 25 mils thick. Today I have only 3 hours to do it, so I hope at least to swap the brakes as it's direct fit. I'm just curious about the brakes braided lines. I don't think so I will have time to do it today, but we'll see. We'll try. So guys, this is my spacer, 25 mil, 5 holes, 114.3 measurements between the holes. New Brembos. I will try to do this side today, and the reason I have 25 mil spacers because my wheel is R17 ET45, so as you see it's quite narrow, no more space between the caliper and spikes, so I need to push out the wheel at least 20-25 mil, so I took 25 mil. So guys, I changed the pads in the Brembo calipers. I have another 2 hours to work on the car. I think I will try to change just the one side and maybe then next day the other side. As you can see, the calipers in, spacers in, brake disc in. So as you can see, the spikes doesn't hit the Brembo caliper. I changed the another side. Now I'm planning to bleed the brake fluid, so you need to do the farthest one valve first and then go to the closer, because Brembo has 4 valves, like this side and this side, so we're doing this first, then this one, and same way going on the other side, we're doing this one first and then inside one. That's it. and brembo swap in 2 hours, done easy. I finished my swap. It took me 3 hours to do the whole job. I changed the brake pads, brake disc, calipers, and both sides. Plus I changed the brake fluid. In general, if you would be with the friends, you could do it faster. For me it took exactly 3 hours, so I was thinking to leave it for next day, but apparently next week I'm very busy. I'm very happy, everything is done. Only that I need to do it is the braided brake lines, but the point is like that I'm planning to do the brembo swap at the rear, so I think I will leave it for that time. So for now, see you later.